All right, if you're a fleet manager, I bet you know this headache all too well. Traffic violations or challans, right? They just pile up, they get lost, and pretty soon you're looking at a mountain of paperwork. But what if you could clear that entire mountain with a single system? Let's dive in and see how. Does this look a little too familiar? I mean, it's a paper storm, isn't it? For every single vehicle, you're constantly chasing down violations, tracking payments, hitting deadlines. It is a logistical nightmare that costs you so much time and, frankly, a lot of money. Yeah, we actually have a name for this. We call it the Challan chaos. And trust me, if you're feeling it, you are definitely not alone. This is a massive challenge across the entire logistics industry, just a constant, inefficient battle against paper. Just think about what's actually happening here. You're manually tracking every single challan, scrambling to meet payment deadlines so you can avoid those extra penalties, and then you're digging through piles of files just to find one piece of information. For modern fleets, it's a system that's just fundamentally broken. But what if you could just get rid of all of it? Imagine taking that entire mess, every piece of paper, every single deadline, and consolidating it all with just a single, simple click. Okay, so this is where we shift gears. We're moving away from that scattered mess of papers and into a smart, centralized, intelligent platform that is literally built to bring order to all of that chaos. And here it is. Meet the eChallan service from eFleet Systems. Now, these guys know what they're doing. They've been in logistics technology for over 2 decades, and they've built a tool designed specifically to bring clarity and control back to your operations. And let me tell you, this is not some brand new experiment. eFleet Systems is already helping manage over 45,000 vehicles for more than 150 customers. That is a ton of real-world experience baked right into this platform. So you're probably asking, okay, what is it exactly? Well, think of it like this. It's one singular dashboard that gives you a real-time view of every single traffic challan from every state in India for every vehicle in your entire fleet, all in one place. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds great, but it's probably a huge pain to set up, right? Nope, not at all. Let's walk through just how incredibly simple it is to get up and running. It really boils down to a super simple 3-step process: verify, fetch, and report. That's it. Let's see what that actually looks like in the system. Okay, so step 1, you add your vehicles. Now, here's the really cool part about this step. The system hooks directly into the government's official Parivahan database. It confirms your vehicle's engine and chassis numbers, which means your data is 100% accurate right from the very start. All right, once your vehicles are locked in and verified, step 2 is, well, it's even easier. You literally just click Get Challan, and boom, the system instantly pulls all pending and paid challans for your entire fleet into this one clean dashboard. Everything you need is right there: violation counts, total amounts, and the payment status. And then we get to the final step, step 3. All that amazing organized data, you can export it with one click straight into a detailed Excel sheet. I mean, it's everything you need for accounting, for driver recovery, or just for your own records, perfectly organized and ready to go. So, when you boil it all down, what's the real magic here? It's centralization. All your violation data from every corner of the country, all living in one easy-to-use, powerful dashboard. And with everything in one place, you get some incredible power. We're talking real-time visibility across all of India. You can even set up an automatic scheduler so the data's always fresh. You can dive deep into the details of any offense, create summary or detailed reports, and even track the internal status of a challan until it's completely resolved. And I really want to double down on this point because it's crucial: the data's integrity. This isn't coming from some third-party middleman. No, it is pulled directly from the official government Parivahan site, so you know without a doubt that it's accurate and always up to date. So it's really time to leave that old, stressful way of doing things in the past. It's time to step into a new way of working, one with efficiency and actual control. Honestly, this picture just says it all, doesn't it? On the left, you've got the old way, that constant stress buried in paperwork, always playing catch-up. And on the right, that's the eFleet way, calm, in control, with all the information you need right at your fingertips. At the end of the day, that's what this is all about. The eChallan service gives you back the one thing you can't buy more of: your time. And that's more time you can spend actually growing your business, not just chasing down paperwork. So if you're ready to ditch the chaos, it's super easy to take that first step. Just give them a call at +91 7678 64092. Get a demo and see for yourself how this can totally transform your operations.
Look, your fleet is out there moving at high speed every single day. So the real question you've got to ask yourself is your data actually keeping up?